Hello everyone. So in this module, we'll take a look at the studio. Okay. So all the features in the studio, I will take you one by one. So first, for this, let's create one resource. Okay. Let's name the notebook as AI in education, opportunities and risk. Okay. So for this, we need some of the document. What I will do is I'll go to YouTube and I'll search for AI in education explained. Okay, so let me take some of these uh, video and add it over here. Okay, to edit, you have to just copy the link. Okay, let me take one more. Okay, so you don't have to put any comma over there. Okay, let me take these three YouTube links. Okay, I'll click on add. Meanwhile, I'll also look at UNESCO's website for this. I'll go to UNESCO's website and I'll click on education. Okay, I'll copy this link and I'll say you don't have to click anything here. You can just drag and drop and let it be in a fast research mode only. Okay, so it will get added over here. Okay, so it has created a brief summary based on the four sources whatever we have given. Okay, so next step is to create a audio review. Okay, so once you click on audio overview, so it will provide you with the four different format. Okay, one is deep dive. Okay, a lively conversation. Brief is like it will just give a summary of it, and critique is a expert review of the sources covering a constructive feedback, and debate is like a thoughtful debate between two hosts, which is created by the NotebookLM itself. Okay, and language is you can again change the language over here. Okay, what is the length? Okay, short, default, long. Okay, things to try. Focus on the source, focus on specific topic, target a specific audience. Okay, let me give like this. Okay, I'll say create a 5-minute audio overview explaining how AI is transforming classroom, include benefit, risk, and two real-world example. Keep the tone conversational and suitable for teachers. Okay, so I'll say I'll keep it for brief, or yeah, I'll keep it for brief. Let's say generate. So it may not create entire 5 minutes since I have selected brief, but this is the some focus area which you can give. Okay, for the notebook LM. Okay, let's click on generate. Okay, once you click on generate, so this will start moving, and here there's a generating audio overview progress bar. Okay, so it will take some time. Over here it has created a audio overview. Okay, so it says brief, the option what we have given three sources. So if you look at here, so it has not considered the last URL. Maybe the URL is corrupted, or some website may not give access. Okay, so that's okay, it's still considered other three sources, and it has created. Okay, and you can do a preview over here You click on play.
Just some fancy new cheating tool. Think of AI as a massive, game-changing shift in how we teach and learn that directly impacts your everyday life as an educator. First, think of AI as a personalized super tutor that actually uses the Socratic method to guide your students, rather than just handing them the answers. I mean, have you ever wished your kids could literally talk to the books they're reading? Well, with Salcon's Conmigo AI, a student recently had a full conversation with the character Jay Gatsby to deeply understand the literature. And scaling up, Harvard professors are already using this tech to instantly draft fresh quizzes and summarize live classroom confusion right off their discussion boards. Second, let's look at how this directly benefits you by automating the mundane. Imagine letting a bot handle all that tedious grading and lesson planning. Why? So you're finally freed up to focus on the human element that actually matters, like real, one-on-one mentoring and student support. Finally, there are some absolutely critical dangers you gotta watch out.
So if you can see, it has created a brief summary of it. Okay, so we can continue. Okay, and create a debate. Okay, between two people. So let's see, I will keep this blank right now. Okay, length I'll keep it default. Let's see how it is going to generate. Okay, you can just click on generate. So always whenever you do a new audio overview or whatever feature may be, the new one will appear on top. Okay, you don't lose any of this, so it will everything get listed out here. It may take some more time. So you can see here it has created a debate of AI tutors and lazy learning divide. Okay, let's listen to it. You can just click on play over here.
Welcome to the debate. Today, we are taking up one of the most consequential issues of our time, which is the integration of generative AI into formal education systems.
Right, and it's a topic that really forces a fundamental divide in how we understand technology's role in human development.
Exactly. We are looking at a central question today. Does artificial intelligence
So did you notice that when I did a brief, it didn't. There was a single host which narrated everything. But in a debate, there are two hosts where you know discuss about the topic. Okay, so you can
represent an
listen
unprecedented
further.
But how does that actually play out in a rigorous academic setting? Because I think there is a vast difference between a theoretical Socratic dialogue in a lab and a frustrated student.
Okay, so this is how you can create a debate over here. Okay, you can also rename this, or you can download this as a mp3 file. You can share it with you know the group, and this I have already discussed. So the same thing applies over here also. Okay, so this is about debate, and this is the deep dive. Okay, deep dive will have one more feature where you can even ask in between. Okay, let's see how we can use a deep dive. Okay, you can give a custom topic over here, focus on automated grading. Okay, what are the pros and cons of it? Okay, let's see, let's keep it short. Okay, we have seen brief, we have seen debate. Okay, let's check a deep dive over here. So it has created the deep dive. What additional features deep dive will have, let's see. So click on this. Okay,
Welcome to today's deep dive. We're looking at something that is actively reshaping education right now. We're talking about automated grading.
Yeah, it's a huge shift. I mean, everyone focuses on students cheating with AI, but the real institutional shift is happening on the other side of the desk.
Exactly. So to get to the bottom of this, we pulled from a few really fascinating sources. A TED Talk by Sal Khan, a keynote from Harvard's Professor Bharat N. Anand, and a deep technical breakdown from the channel complex AI.
And our mission today is to figure out the mundane.
Because the bottleneck has always been that one-to-many ratio.
So you have seen the debate, you have seen the brief. Okay, what is the additional feature? What deep dive will have is something called interactive mode. Okay, so if you click on this, okay, it is already generated with two hosts. Okay, even you can join and ask question. Okay, let me try this. Okay, to do it you have to play the audio and you have to click on
Welcome
join.
to today's deep dive. We are looking at something that is actively reshaping education right now. We're talking about
Oh, wait, someone wants to join. Hey, go for it.
Hey, this is Anu from Tech Easy AI. So I have a question like, what is this AI meant to be, for ICSE syllabus? Okay, can you talk about it?
Oh, I knew. Welcome to the street.
That's a fantastic question.
It's totally relevant because when we talk about AI in education, we're really talking about the tools available to everyone.
And that includes all curricula, whether it's ICSE, CBSE, or any other board.
Okay, let's unpack this for you.
A lot of the AI tools we're discussing aren't curriculum specific at their core.
They are essentially language models and analytical tools.
The AI strength is personalized learning.
It analyzes a student's performance, regardless of the board.
It figures out where the student is struggling exactly.
So for an ICSE student, the AI identifies the specific areas they need help with.
Whether that's algebra,
Okay, I hope you got this how to create and how to join the deep dive. Okay, so it will create a lot of opportunities for you. As between the two hosts, you can be the third one and create ask question. Okay, you can use it to create podcast. Okay, and you will get a realistic um, answers. Okay, by the AI. Hope this helps. Okay, and I want you to try out the another option, which is a critique. Okay, by yourself, and let me know in Q&A if you get stuck, and if you have any question I'll surely create a video on it and I will upload it. Okay, this is kind of a assignment for you to try out critique by yourself, and I'll see you in our next session on video overview. Thank you.